Oh my goodness. So I figured out that this thing, it doesn't, you slide it out. Okay, so guess what? There's more to it. Now, I know my phone's a little wobbly, but okay. So watch this. This comes off, yes. Okay, let me get this where it's not just gonna fall. Okay, that comes off, but guess what? That thing. That's a pain in my ass. So you do this. To put it where this will be taut. Yeah. So, So you got to make it where I got to pull it out more because this goes in here. It's just a pain in the ass. Like, why? Why can't you just put it together for me and send it to me? Like, maybe is the more expensive ones, are they already put together? And if they are, totally get that one. But let me just see. I really wouldn't have even known to do this, except for I asked my boyfriend and he said, oh, you gotta move that little screw. Oh, okay. Okay, so that screw right here, it's gonna need to go, well, let's see, does it need to go back? Or is it in the right spot? Oh, well, that's where I had it and it was all loose. So I need to make it more stable though, right? Like tighter. Sorry, I'm sorry, my stand is shaky. It just sucks. So what does that mean? We need to do this, tighten it a little. And then is it, oh, is it in the right spot? Let's just see. Oh wait, that doesn't go there. Oh man. And these gotta stay in that little thing in the rail. I'm sure all the oil that was on this chain is now off on my hands and the rug where I had it. Okay, so now that looks good. Okay, guess what? We still gotta put this stupid thing on. And now where's the little bolt thing? God dang it. Where'd it go? Just a minute, found it. Back in position so you guys can see. Now back to getting this thing on. Okay. Check. Check. No, just stay on. Okay, hold it there. Oh, but look, that doesn't look tight enough, right? So we're gonna have to scoot it out more. Damn it. Oh, it came off of that thing, the screw, this little screw. Ow, damn it. That's kind of sharp, you know. keep that pushed in. Hope you got coordination. Or maybe someone that knows how to do this shit. Come on, Jamie, you got it. You got it. I'm thinking we want it very tight. Okay, now let's just see. Okay, one good thing is you got to push in. You got to push in this button and the thing at the same time. So let's just see. Oh, well, that's not great. Look, I mean, it's slicing up this thing. We don't, why do, oh my gosh. Okay, well, Jamie, okay, stay tuned, everybody. We got to do some adjustments. Okay, let's see where we left off on this. I do remember that was getting hit by the chain. Oh, sorry, I thought you could see it. Okay, let's zoom out of here. Okay, so, yeah, this. So obviously it's too loose, but then also, I don't know about this thing. It's getting, yeah, see, it got chopped. So let's be safe and take off the battery, which, easy. Just slides off, and there's two of them. Okay, so back to business. We gotta take this off. So I'm using that tripod stand that I got from the Dick and Taco shop. I guess that didn't need to be in the video. Okay, we got an extra chain. Now, let's also figure out is the chain even on correctly, like the right direction? I don't think so. Hold that thought. Well, I wasn't recording and I thought that I was. Anyway, so I had it like this. And what I was saying is that this wider blade, there's skinny, there's a wide blade, should go towards the base of the unit. This unit. Okay. Right? Okay, I think. Okay, well, let's just see. Oh, well, in that case, it is closer to the base on the top and not the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna go look at the picture again. Okay, so we got the picture. Okay, and it shows that on the bottom, the wide side is away from the unit. On the top, it's towards the unit. I had it right then. On the top, it is towards the unit, the big one. And this is the top. God dang it. I don't know, guys. Why don't they just put it together for us? How about that? Okay, the big one, the tall. Okay, got it. I know I'm making a big deal out of it, but it's really, sir, please don't chew on that. My cat's chewing on the toolbox. Okay, Anyway. Anyway, that looks good. Just a minute. Let me see. Okay, so I think we just put it on. Now this. What about that? Like, that's gonna still cut it. I don't get it. Well, let's put it back on and just see what happens. Okay, so like I said, that bit is not the exact same fit. So we are going to tighten it up with that handy dandy tool that I seem to have misplaced. Anyway, okay, we're going to tighten it up. Don't you worry about that. And then we're going to see if it works. Found it. I guess we're going to get it nice and tight. You know, the way you like it. Here we go. So now we're going to put this back on the battery pack. I'm going to scooch out. Battery pack is pretty easy. Slide it on. Oh God. Okay, I'm a little nervous about this, but let's scooch it out. Tilt it up. Okay, one good thing is you got to push in on this and push the trigger. Cat did not like that. But look, see? What the heck? Okay. Hey, let me know if you have any great ideas on what to do now. Okay, bye. Okay, so I decided the battery is off, okay? And then I took off this thing. I don't recommend you taking this off, but that's what I did so far. This is what happened to it so far. And anyway, all I had to do is unscrew this this. Okay, so this, I just unscrewed that, okay? Took that off, okay. Now, we are going to take our hands off all the buttons. We're going to slide this on. Yep, locked and loaded. Okay. Anyway, so to get it to work, you got to push in on that button and pull the trigger here. So these two at the same time or it doesn't work, which is a great safety feature, I think. I'm a little nervous about this. Holy shit, it works. But, pause that thought. Okay. This mulberry tree right here, I like to put it for a back of it. We did it! You know, let's get the little branches off of it. I just found that this tree is good for something. Yes, it came with gloves, and yes. Thank you, tree. Okay, I would say it's a success.